The LEMOKEY X4 QMK wired mechanical keyboard is a fantastic option for gamers and professionals seeking a budget-friendly yet high-performance keyboard. With its compact 75% layout, this keyboard strikes a perfect balance between space-saving and functionality. The tactile brown switches offer a satisfying feel, ideal for both typing and gaming, with a soft bump on each keystroke that ensures you get the feedback you need without being too noisy for a shared space. The north-facing red backlight adds a stylish touch, making the keyboard look great in low-light environments. One of the standout features of this keyboard is the customizability. Thanks to its support for the LEMOKEY Launcher web app and open-source QMK firmware, you can remap any key or macro, making it incredibly versatile for all kinds of setups. Whether you're playing a game and need to adjust your key mappings, or you simply want to personalize your workspace, the LEMOKEY X4 lets you do it all. For extended typing sessions or long gaming marathons, comfort is key, and this keyboard delivers with a gasket mount structure and a PC plate. The flexible mount provides a soft and satisfying keystroke, reducing fatigue even during the longest usage periods. Whether you're typing documents or hitting those crucial gaming commands, the LEMOKEY X4 ensures that your fingers feel comfortable and supported. The keycap design is another impressive feature. The shine-through double-shot ABS keycaps not only enhance the durability, but also allow the red backlight to shine through, providing excellent visibility. Even in darker rooms or late-night gaming sessions, the keys remain legible, which is a big plus for users who spend hours at the keyboard. Performance-wise, the LEMOKEY X4 doesn't disappoint. With a 1000 Hz polling rate and in-key rollover, every keystroke is registered with precision, making it perfect for competitive gaming. You won't miss a single command, and the keyboard responds quickly, ensuring that you stay ahead of the competition. All in all, the LEMOKEY X4 QMK wired mechanical keyboard offers a combination of high-quality features, durability, and performance at an accessible price. Whether you're a casual user, a gamer, or someone who spends hours typing, this keyboard delivers everything you need for a satisfying experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.